Hello guys, I'm Kaur and I'm from Cad Gizmo. Friends, today we will discuss the method to draw a line in Autocad 2021. So let's start the video. So guys, before I start the video, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see the latest updates. Friends, in this video we see the methods to draw a line, and with the first one we click on the application menu and type here line, L-I-N-E, line, and press enter. In this way we can activate our line command. This is the first method. Now we can see the second method. Now we are on the home tab on the draw panel, and these are our tools or commands. You can click on line. Now our line command is activate. In this way you can use your line command. Now we see the third point or third method of using the line command is click on draw and click on line. In this way you can use your line command. This is the third point. With the fourth point, we can use tool palette. For the tool palette, type TP and press enter, and you can use your line command from here. In this way you can use your command. Now with the fifth point, we can type on command line L-I-N-E, line, and press enter and draw our line. This is the fifth point, and with the sixth point we use the shortcut to use the line command. Press L, you can see on screen, and press enter. This is the short way to use the line command or any other command in Autocad 2021. In this way you can use your command. So guys, this is our video on how to draw a line in Autocad. These ways you can use to pick a line command or any other command you can see or you can need. So guys, this is the video. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please leave a comment in below, and take care of yourself, and see you soon in the next video.